Includes cartridge. The molded ribbed back maximizes contact with water, includes premium activated carbon. Biological filtration. Biofoam biological filtration removes toxic ammonia and nitrites on contact. Quiet. Decoupled motor with dampeners reduces noise to below 40 decibels. Powerful. Impeller and motor assembly designed for efficient power usage, filters 10 to 20 gallon aquariums 5 times per hour. Sleek design. Designed to fit standard aquarium hoods and canopies, the AQUA-TECH ultra-quiet power filter makes aquatic filtration easy. Age range description. All life stages. Assembled product dimensions. 4.00 L x 8.00 W x 7.50 H. Top reviews from the United States. Love it, but it was late. I love my filter. It's quiet and was very easy to set up. The only issue that I have is that it was extremely late and some of my fish expired due to it, but the Amazon CSR made everything right due to the inconvenience. I'll always use Amazon Prime due to the convenience it offers.